Hi and Assalamualaikum. Me and Umi Umaira will present about SMK Sultanah Asma Form 2 BMI analysis. Before we start the presentation, I will introduce me and my friend in this group. In this group have 4 persons. It is me, Damia Kasrina, Umi Umaira, Azra Naziha, and the last one is Diamiza Shamimi. So, without waste any time, let's into the video.
What is BMI? BMI, or body mass index, is a person weight in kilogram divided by the square of height in meters. A high BMI can be an indicator of high body fatness. BMI can be used to screen for weight categories that may lead to health problems, but it is not diagnostic of the body fatness or health of an individual. How to calculate BMI? Body mass index equal weight in kilogram divided height squared in meter.
Now, I want to explain about what is obesity. I'm sure everyone is aware to the fact that obesity is overweight. So, let me explain the detail. Obesity is a medical condition in which excess body fat to an extent that is have a negative effect on health. Obesity is correlated with various diseases and conditions, particularly cardiovascular disease, type 2 diabetes, obstructive sleep apnea, certain type of cancer, and osteoarthritis. Many people ask me what's factor that can lead obesity in teenagers. Before that, I will explain the causes of obesity. The causes of obesity are complex and include genetic, biological, behavioral, and cultural factors. Obesity occurs when a person eats more calories than the body burns. If one parent is obese, there are 50% chance to his or her child will be obese. However, when both parents are obese, their children have an 80% of being obese. Obesity in childhood and adolescence can be related to poor eating habits, overeating or binging, lack of exercise, family history of obesity, medication, medical illness, family and peer problems, stressful life events or changes, low self-esteem, depression, or other emotional problems. So, next, I will explain about BMI table for adult. It have category and BMI range. We should know what category we are. I thought Umi Umaira was explain how to calculate the BMI. After we calculate the BMI, we will know which category we are. So I will explain the table. Severe thinness category is under 16. Moderate thinness category is 16 to 17. Mild thinness category is 17 to 18.5. Normal is 18.5 to 25. Overweight 25 to 30. Obese class 1 30 to 35. Obese class 2 35 to 40. Obese class 3 is 40 and above. For the material, we collect all the material from WhatsApp group.
Data collection. So, I will show you the procedure. Group are from among the class members. Survey conduct among Form 2 students. There is 50 students. Data collect then analysis using suitable measures of central tendency. Group discussion, and the last one is report writing. Example, there are have name of 50 students and their weight, height, also BMI. Here we go to analysis. This is pie chart that show BMI data Form 2. So this bar chart of weight Form 2. Underweight is 9 students, normal is 30 students, overweight is 7 students, and obesity is 4 students. The last one is frequency table.
This is the last part. It is conclusion. The most suitable measure of central tendency. For this type of data, the most suitable measure of central tendency that we choose is mean. We choose mean because it is a measure that includes all the value in the data set for its calculation. In any change in any of the score will affect the value of the mean.
As a conclusion, we could summarize that measures of central tendencies are descriptive summary of a dataset through a single value that reflect the center of data distribution. From our data, we know that among us asthmarin, Form 2 have a normal weight. The percent of normal weight Form 2 asthmarin is 64%. We found that many asthmarin eat a balanced food and involved in many activities such as sport and co-curriculum. Then, when we studied, we found that the percent of overweight is 50% and the percent of underweight is 19%. So the percent of obesity is 2%. Average BMI for SMK Ustana Asma Form 2 students are 18.89%. That's all. Thank you.